Chapter 2 Computer Memory. Hello children, today I am going to tell you about computer memory and its storage devices. Inside a computer, there are different storage areas where it keeps data permanently or temporarily while working on the data to produce the required output. This storage area is known as the memory of the computer. Memory is a major part of a computer. It is similar to a human brain. Data storage. A computer processes the input data and stores the output data in the form of 0 and 1, which is called binary digits or bits. These bits are carried by electric circuits and stored on chips. These chips reside inside the motherboard of a computer. Units of memory. Bit is the smallest unit of information which a computer can process and store. This information in computer is stored in the form of bits and bytes. A group of 4 bits is called a nibble. A group of 8 bits is called a byte. 1 KB kilobyte is equal to 2 by 10 bytes, that is 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte is equal to 2 by 10 kilobytes, equals to 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte is equal to 2 by 10 megabyte, equals to 1024 megabytes. 1 terabyte is equal to 2 by 10 gigabyte, equals to 1024 gigabyte. 1 petabyte is equal to 2 by 10 terabyte, equals to 1024 terabyte. Types of memory. The memory of the computer is divided into 2 categories. They are primary memory, secondary memory. Primary memory. Primary memory is the main memory of the computer. It temporarily stores data. It holds only those data on which computer is currently working. Primary memory is directly accessed by the CPU of a computer. It has limited storage capacity and data is lost when power is switched off. There are 2 types of primary memory. They are RAM, random access memory, ROM, read-only memory. Fact: primary memory is often called internal memory. Secondary memory is often called external memory. RAM, random access memory. Random access memory is a type of primary memory that is generally located on the motherboard. It is used for storing data, program and program result. It is a read-write memory. It temporarily stores data. The data gets erased as soon as the computer is turned off. RAM is further divided into two categories. They are static RAM and dynamic RAM. Static random access memory. Static RAM retains stored information as long as the power supply is on. It is expensive and consumes more power. It has higher speed than dynamic RAM. Dynamic random access memory. Dynamic RAM is a type of random access memory that stores information for a very short time even though the power supply is on. It is cheaper than static RAM and consumes less power. It is most commonly used RAM. ROM, read-only memory. Read-only memory is a computer memory that can permanently store data. That is, it holds the data even if the computer is switched off. In ROM, data can be read, but it is difficult to modify the data. There are three types of ROM. They are PROM, EPROM, and EEPROM. Programmable read-only memory. PROM is a read-only memory where a user can store data permanently. But once the data has been written, it cannot be modified or erased from PROM. EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. EPROM is different from PROM as unlike PROM, the program can be written on it more than once. EEPROM, electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. EEPROM is programmed and erased electrically. Data stored in EEPROM can be erased and modified as many times a user desires.